All right, so here's a look at this 6-pack of wooden hangers. We went with this walnut color, which I think looks great, especially when you've got something like a pair of pants on it. You're able to really see the actual wood from here. And comparing these to our old hangers, it's a huge upgrade. We got these old dingy plastic hangers that snap really easily, and it was always a hassle when I put it on something like this, like a heavy jacket. When I pull it out, I would snap these hangers all the time. So I love using these for not only for suits and pants, but I also use it for jackets, and you can even use it for t-shirts as well. So these are super versatile. They're not only for suits. I plan on pretty much using it for almost everything here in my closet. Even if you have something like this, a tank top, this will fit on there as well. So I like the way that they designed it. It fits perfect for pretty much any type of clothing that you want to put on it. And a little bit more on the design here. They've got a 360 swivel up at the top. So if you like putting, your clothes in this way, or if you want to spin it and do it the opposite way, you can kind of just spin this around. Even if you wanted to bring this out with you, maybe put it in the car, you can swivel at 90 degrees and it'll hook on nice and easy to that door handle. Now, down here at the bottom, you've got this rubberized piece that goes around here, and I like this because this has ridges on it. So if you've got a pair of like silky dress pants, usually these type of hangers will have like a wooden piece right here and they just slide right off. So having this is nice. You've got your pants on here, you don't got to worry. If you wiggle it around, you can see pants are not going to fall off of here because of these grooves. So I love the way that they designed these. They look great, they feel really sturdy and really nice, and honestly it's just a big upgrade to the closet. So if you're trying to make your closet look a little more like this and less like this, then I would definitely recommend picking these up.